Google Ads is an auction place, or as I like to think about it, a battleground. If your ad doesn't get in front of the right searcher, it's game over. Doesn't matter how great your copy is or your landing page, it's not the right person. Now, the remarkable thing about Google Ads is that you can be number one on the page and pay less than your competitors who are in positions lower than you. Meaning, it's not just about who's willing to pay the most that Google will show on the top of the SERP, it's about who's the most relevant. Relevance is the game, and organization is how you win. You'll never be a pro without a process. Repeatable results aren't magic. They come from following and executing plans. If you know absolutely nothing about Google Ads, I want you to feel rest assured that you are in the right place. You're gonna walk away from this course knowing how to launch your first campaign successfully in as little time possible, with every one of our lessons being less than 10 minutes by design. There's 8.5 billion searches happening every day on Google, and we're gonna learn how to show up for the right ones and protect your budget from wasted spend. Predictable results come from consistent measurement, so you're gonna learn how to measure like an investor and train Google's AI to find more customers for you. There are so many resources throughout this course. The amount of knowledge you are about to receive is going to be insane.